The 2025 BMW X5 Silver Anniversary Edition marks a significant milestone for Bavarian Motor Works, celebrating 25 years of excellence in the luxury SUV segment. This special edition pays homage to the X5's legacy of innovation, performance, and enduring appeal since its debut in 1999, setting new standards for luxury and versatility in the automotive industry. As a tribute to its heritage, the 2025 X5 Silver Anniversary Edition combines timeless elegance with modern sophistication. Adorned in exclusive frozen Arctic gray metallic paint, the exterior exudes a sense of luxury and refinement, complemented by special 20-inch alloy wheels and distinctive silver anniversary badging. Inside, the cabin of the X5 Silver Anniversary Edition showcases meticulous craftsmanship and premium materials. Exclusive merino leather upholstery with contrasting stitching, a bespoke anthracite headliner, and aluminum trim accents create an ambience of contemporary luxury and comfort. Special edition insignia further accentuates the X5's prestigious status and commemorates its 25 years of excellence. Under the hood, the 2025 X5 Silver Anniversary Edition offers a choice of potent powertrains, including inline-6 and V8 engines, each delivering robust performance and efficiency characteristic of BMW's engineering prowess. Advanced driving dynamics and cutting-edge technology ensure that every journey in the X5 is as exhilarating as it is refined. Beyond its luxurious appointments and performance capabilities, the X5 Silver Anniversary Edition incorporates advanced technology features to enhance convenience, connectivity, and safety. The latest BMW iDrive system with a large touchscreen display, gesture control, and voice recognition capabilities keeps drivers and passengers seamlessly connected and entertained on the road. The debut of the 2025 X5 Silver Anniversary Edition underscores BMW's commitment to continuous innovation and customer satisfaction. Over the past 25 years, the X5 has evolved to meet the evolving demands of luxury SUV enthusiasts worldwide, blending dynamic driving dynamics with versatility and spaciousness that define the segment. Limited to a select number of units globally, the X5 Silver Anniversary Edition offers discerning customers the opportunity to own a piece of BMW history while enjoying exclusive features and enhanced driving experiences. Its distinctive design and commemorative details make it a coveted collector's item and a testament to BMW's dedication to craftsmanship and innovation. In conclusion, the 2025 BMW X5 Silver Anniversary Edition stands as a fitting tribute to 25 years of Bavarian SUV excellence, embodying the brand's commitment to luxury, performance, and innovation. With its special edition status and refined enhancements, it sets a new benchmark for what enthusiasts can expect from a premium SUV, ensuring that the X5's legacy continues to inspire and excite for years to come.